Hello guys, so I just want to show you a short glimpse of what the kitchen looked like before. So entering the kitchen, you can see it's quite outdated and needs a full renovation. It's an old house, so it's really dated. The cabinet, there are not a lot of them, just a few. So we would need some more cabinet in here and change all the equipment too. The wiring is old, so we also have to take care of that. The cooker in the oven needs to be replaced. You may notice it's quite old and dirty, so that needs to go. So we have started the renovation. There's been electrical work going on and we are tiling over the underfloor heating. So this place will be nice and warm in the future. And now some cabinets are hung up in the wall and we try to use the space as much as possible. And now this is the final kitchen. Breakfast table here. We've got a designer radiator. And look at this lamp guys. I've made it myself. Made up from cardboard paper and I just painted it gray to match the furniture. Clip-on blinds, you can adjust it if you want the place bright or keep off the light. Let me show you how useful this is for blocking out daylight. LED light to make the place brighter in the evening. We've got a 12 kilogram drum washing machine, which is massive. I was able to wash my big duvet here, which is really useful. This dishwashing machine can fit 15 plates. We didn't go for built-in in these two appliances because we wanted to have quick access for repair or to upgrade in the future. We also installed water filter so you can drink directly from the tap or faucet. I don't know how you call it, tap or faucet. Anyway, this tap has different function guys. It has spray head or normal one. You can also pull this head to wash around the sink. So this oven has a pyrolytic self-cleaning function. I never worry of scrubbing this oven to make it clean. I will just set the pyrolytic function and it will do the cleaning for me. It burns all grease and all I need to do is wipe it with the clean cloth. We also opted for induction hob, which is safe if you have small child around. It has a child safety lock. This is cooker hood. We went for this design just to make the place look a bit fancy. It's very reliable, and this can be controlled in your phone. You can be sitting in your living room and switch it off using your phone, but I've never used it though. Anyway, so on this corner is the control for the underfloor heating. It has holiday mode to switch it off when you are away. You may consider to have underfloor heating if you are tiling your kitchen. We've got this double fridge in here, lots of cabinet even across on top of the fridge. We have also gone for a proper utility fridge that can dispense ice and cold water. So you may notice guys, we have put decorative coving all around and even across the kitchen cabinets to make the place a little bit more fancy. So that's the kitchen. It's very simple design. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any question about the appliances or the utilities, comment below and I will readily reply. Thanks for watching guys, and bye for now.